In this video, I will guide you through how to blur a face in Capcut easily. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And don't remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Simply start by opening your Capcut app. Then once it's open, click on New Project. Then all you have to do now is just import the video that you want to blur the face on. So I'm importing this video. So once you've done this, don't click on the video, just check the options. Once you check the options, you are going to see this section over here. You can see effect, so click on it. Once you click on effect, you are going to see video effect. Click on video effect. Then in here, all you have to do is search for blur. So you can see I've already searched for blur, so let's search for it. So once you get here, you're going to see different options, but for me, I mostly like using this one that has a lady looking upwards. So that's the ones I mostly like to use. So once you've selected it, click on back. That's your back button. Click your back button and then click this done icon that you can see over here. So once you get here, you can see that this blur, the blur option, or rather the effect, is not in all the video. So all you have to do is extend it. So just drag it to the end of the video. Alright, so I've done that. Okay, so now you can see that the blur effect is from the beginning to the end of the video. So once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is click on this your video that you imported in here, and then look for the option that says duplicate. Alright, you can see the duplicate option. So all you have to do is just click on that. Then it's going to rather like split your video into two places. So what you have to do now, this second one that you just duplicated, click on it, and then you click the overlay option. You can see it over here, so just click on overlay. So once you do that, you can see that it's not directly under the first video. So all you have to do is just hold the video and then drag it to the left. So once you drag it to the left, you can see that everything is now balanced. Everything is totally balanced. So what you are going to do now is click the video at the bottom, which is the duplicated video. Click on that video. And once you click on that, scroll till you see mask. You are going to see an option that is called mask. So you can see it over here, mask. So click on that, and then once you click on that, click on circle. Then once you've done that, click on this invert. You can see invert over there. Click on it. So once you get here, now you can easily blur your face. So I'm going to adjust the circle a little bit, and then all I have to do is just drag it to blend with my face. So that's how it's done. So once you have to play this video now, you see that everything is showing pretty clearly, but my face is totally blurred. So that's how you can blur your face on your video with Capcut. It's quite easy. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists. So you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.